All right, guys. So a couple of days ago, I went to get my first COVID test. I didn't feel sick. I didn't feel like I needed to take the test necessarily. However, I did want to go and get one just to see what the process was like. I think that there's been a lot of stigma attached to the test. A lot of people are saying that the Q-tip is incredibly long and they shove it way in the back of your nose or your throat, and people say, "Oh, they're going to poke my brain." So I kind of wanted to go take it for myself. Also, being as that I work in the service industry, and I'm hoping to be able to go back to work at some point if we can all get on board with wearing these when we're outside. Maybe the numbers will come down. And so it's probably a good idea for people who are dealing with the public all the time to get tested semi-regularly just to make sure we're safe. So I just wanted to go see what the process is like. I think it took about 3 days. I want to say I got online on a Sunday and found a test site here in San Francisco with an appointment the following Wednesday. And it was really quick. My appointments were at 3 o'clock. I think I was in and out of there in a total of maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Definitely very sci-fi, surreal. Everybody's wearing, like full white jumpsuits and face shields. And however, they were all very warm and friendly, and I didn't feel uncomfortable at all. It wasn't too stressful.
I didn't realize it was all the way down here. You can see 850 Bryant behind me. That's the city and county jail and the criminal courts, I believe. So about a block or two down past this, I think. I thought it was gonna be at some clinic down the block, but I think there's a parking lot down here with some tents I can see. Oh yeah, wow. That is a little bit intimidating and scary. City Test SF. Looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Kind of is. I think a lot of us have talked about that. This all seems very surreal. Somebody said it's kind of like an episode of Black Mirror. So, see the tent set up. Definitely not a circus. I'm gonna get a little closer. I see the drive-thru entrance over there. See pedestrian entrance on Brannan Street. So I'm gonna walk up. Again, hopefully they'll let me film. I don't know if they will or not, but hopefully we can see what this test is all about. And I hope I don't get a huge Q-tip shoved up my nose. Looks like this is a pedestrian entrance right here on Brannan. All right, well, let's get in there. I really like to promote it and go, hey, go, because I don't feel sick. I'm coughing a little bit, but I think it's because cigarette smoke, which I don't smoke. But I don't feel sick, but I'd like everybody to get tested. Like it's easy to do. You guys are here for us. So I think the more people, if we take the stigma away from it, more people will get tested and we'll know we're all good.
These are anterior nair swabs. They're the newer ones, so they don't go up. They don't hurt go up to your brain like the old.
Yeah, that's what everybody's worried about. It's like, I'm gonna get my brain poked. And I'm like, I'm sure it's not that horrible. Let's just get it done.
May I have your name?
Sure.
And this is your correct birthday?
Correct,
and
yes.
Contact information?
That's right.
Perfect, thanks so much. So, have you been here before?
Nope, first time.
You get results in about 1 to 3 days.
Okay.
Just read through all this information, has all the details we need regarding your results.
Can I ask you, would it be a possible thing for people to get tested regularly, or how overwhelmed are you guys?
You just have to see what days.
Okay. So it's not going to flood you guys. Like if I find an appointment, it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as you find an appointment and come on that date.
Okay. I just like I was saying, I'm in the service industry and I'm looking to go back to work.
Yeah.
And it's something I might want to do like every week or every other week just to make sure I'm good, because I have a very high immune system, but not everybody does, and so I don't want to be spreading things around just because I feel fine.
Right.
So okay, so I just need to read this.
Yeah. So you could do that later.
Okay.
We're gonna do this test now. So
okay.
Go ahead and drop your mask, and then it's going into each nostril. Okay.
Okay.
Side. All right, you're all set.
That's it?
That's it.
See how easy that was?
They said my results would come in 1 to 3 days. I actually got them the very next day via text, and I tested negative, which is great. As I said, I already expected that I did not have anything. I'm fairly certain my wife and I actually already got it back in December when we were in Shanghai. We went to Disneyland and we were exposed to a lot of people, and that's about 8 hours away from where the epicenter is thought to be in Wuhan. And about 5 days after we were there, my wife got extremely sick with symptoms that are exactly in line with the symptoms of COVID. And the last day or so that we were in Tokyo, I started feeling it as well. So fairly certain we've already had it. I wanted to just check to make sure and see what the process is like so I can show you guys. Don't be afraid to go. As I've said, it's free. It only took me a few days to get an appointment. You know, better safe than sorry. So go get your test.
Also, guys, if you appreciate this video and you want to see more once things return quote unquote to normal, if you want to see more of what there is to do in San Francisco, not just where to go get a swab up your nose, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. I haven't been uploading as much as I would like to, but now that things are getting closer back to normal, we should be out filming more. So if you need to know what's good to do in San Francisco and elsewhere, make sure you subscribe. You know, smash the like button, turn on notifications, all that stuff. Bye.